Hello, my artistic friends. So I was coloring in this hibiscus. So I thought that I should tell you a trick how to color it with markers. So just take any two colors, lighter and dark tone. I have taken these two colors. So what I did is I just made the boundaries from the darker color and inside I colored with the lighter color so that it will look nice, and that trick worked. So guys, now I am showing you the trick. So guys, as you can see, I am making just dots with this marker and it will look at the end so pretty. Anyways guys, you love nature or not? If you love nature, just comment your name. So guys, I'm making dots. Little dots, you have to make tiny dots. And with the piece, you have to do this work because it's very concentrating work. Because if you just do it like this, it will be ruined. So guys, it's something looking like now. Then I will make another layer of it. So guys, I have made the boundary with a darker shade. Now let's use our lighter shade to color it inside. So I'm taking this shade and now we will make some dot. So guys, now I am applying dot anywhere because it's the space that we can color anywhere. Not color, makes dots. And guys, we have to use the exact color we have used in first petal or your flower will look not that much like mine's looking because the different color will make a different appearance. So guys, with this process, our second petal is ready. Now we will do the same process with all the petals. So guys, with that process, our hibiscus petals are ready and it's looking pretty good, right? So now the process is these pollens with the same process only. So what I will do in this, I will not take any darker shade or lighter shade because I have only one yellow. So I will make dots and pollens with only yellow. So guys, in this you can color also, but I prefer dots because our process is going on the dots. It's looking pretty good, right? Then now dark green and light green. So guys, how do you like this process of sketches with dots? If you like this process, please like, share and subscribe this video. Whatever you can do, please do it. The shade I am using is now light brown. This is the work of patience and I can't wait for the final result. So guys, now we will use the same green color in the leaf. So guys, our final piece is just going to be ready when we will do light green inside a leaf. Just going to be ready.
जिस दिन आएंगी फिर तो तू सानू
The final piece is going to be ready. And my so guys, I was excited for my final piece, and the final piece turns out so good, right? So guys, what should I make in next video? Tell in the comment box. With acrylic paints or watercolor. Tell everything in the comment box. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.